Hello everybody, this is part 2 of the aquaponics video. Just a little quick recap on the first couple days. You can also watch the first video, part 1. So in this video that we're going to be doing here, I have a lot of upgrades that I have planned, and I've started doing a few of those. The general system overall that's photographed coming up here is just what I had at the end of the last video, trying to eliminate some of the errors that I made and put new systems in place. This is a larger grow bed. It's going to be approximately 2.5 foot by 1.5 foot by about 8 inches deep. This is a bell siphon that I had from the original one. I'm redoing it with the larger grow bed, and then how the system drops through. You can see it working here. It easily fills, drains the whole bed. Been working very nicely, and quite happy with it. It's about a 15-minute fill and drain cycle. Once I had it kind of working very well, I added in the grow media. These floated at first. Now that they have saturated with water and are running effectively, as I pulled out some of the things these were about 4 or 5 days that they were in the last system. Some garlic from the backyard. This is January that this is all up and running, so those are still kind of viable outside. Just moving them to the new grow bed here, just showing some of the vigorous root mass that has accumulated in just a 3 to 4 day window. Kind of eliminating the walnut shells. That was kind of an error with that, and now the system is really nicely balancing itself out. This is adding ginger in there, garlic, we have celery, we have lavender cuttings. I started these just ripping a piece off of the plant outside, stick them in there in about 5 days. They had already put some roots out, so I'll be able to extend my lavender farm and get some nice flowers off this year. Just some herbs getting in there, some oregano. I started basil seeds and a bunch of other things that'll be in there throughout the rest of this video, and then you'll see successive parts 3, 4, and 5, and as this progresses farther, putting some muscadine lettuce seeds in there. Just on a paper, you put a couple on there. Once that paper gets saturated, like 3 days later, it was already about a 1/2 inch tall sprouts. Just as the system is starting to develop a little bit. This is at night with I have grow lights. They're LED grow lights that are full spectrum. These were like $3 from China. Not the best, but they worked as I set the system up. Just a flood and drain. So thanks for watching. Look forward to watching part 3, and please subscribe and share the video. Enjoy the journey with me.
Wow.